At DayTradeToWin.com, we have a news indicator available to download, and that indicator will plot the upcoming news events on your chart as you see here. So today is September 2nd, 2021, and we're looking at what's to come for the remainder of this week. So it being a Thursday, we have just the remainder of today, and then we're looking into tomorrow, September 3rd. And when using this indicator, you would tend to look at the high priority events. If you're looking at the E-mini like we tend to do, you're looking at the high priority US dollar events, as these typically drive price into an up or down direction in a strong way. Thus, you might want to stay out of the market until that volatility subsides. And so tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the time that we have here on the chart, we can expect some activity, and we may want to stay out of the market until that activity returns to normal. And you may be asking, well, how do I know if there is substantial market activity? Well, two basic ways. You really have price action, and if you start to see price move down or construct itself using these tall candles, for example, then you can also expect that the ATR would be greater at those points in time, because the ATR means average true range. We happen to use a period value of 4, and that gives us a decent measure of volatility for the last 4 candles, and that would be 20 minutes on a 5-minute chart. So this is a way to view those moments. So even in some cases when you see periods of bars that are average in size, you can still have a greater period of volatility, such as this point here where it reached about 3 points on the ATR. So please keep that in mind. Generally, we consider the volatility or the ATR between 2 and 4 points as ideal for trading. Below 2 points, heading towards 1 point, things can get a bit choppy without a consistent direction. And above 5 points, that can get too volatile. So you may see the ATR spike above 5 points, for example, when such high priority events occur. And now I'd like to show you how to actually get this indicator. To get the news indicator, go to our website, DayTradeToWin.com, and then go to the Courses and Software menu option, drop down to Downloads, and then we have the news indicator available here. If you click the Download News Indicator button, you may be asked for your email and your first name. Fill that out, submit the information, and then you should be brought back to this page where you can download the indicator. And after you download the indicator, you can import it into NinjaTrader, and that is done as follows. To import an indicator, go to the NinjaTrader Control Center, which is this window, Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. From here, you'll have a window pop up that will ask you to navigate to the folder that contains the news indicator download. And the news indicator is named DTTW news4t.zip. And that's the file you import into NinjaTrader. And after you select that file, which is usually in your downloads folder, look on the left panel of that window, look for downloads, click it, find DTTW8 news4.zip, then double click it or click it on it and then click OK. Then that should import the indicator, at which time you can add the indicator to your chart, and I'll show you how to get the indicator onto the chart next. So I already have the news indicator on the chart, and this is how I got it there. You can go up here to the top and click on indicators, or what I like to do is right click the chart and then go to indicators here. This brings up the indicators list, and you can find the DayTradeToWin news indicator. It's alphabetized, and you'll look for DTTW News 4T, which is this one right here. Double click it, and then it should come down here, and at this point you can configure it. Oftentimes I'll configure it to use fewer than 15 maximum events. 15 is the default setting, so you may want to use 5. and you can change the font size as well. You can check USD only, so you only see US events if you just happen to look at the E-mini, for example, and find that most applicable. So if I were to choose these settings, there's a chance that I may not see these, but let's see what happens. So if I click on OK, yep, we only have USD events, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them total. 4 of them are high priority, so there are ones to watch, and 1 low priority. So this one will occur about 15 minutes after market open, this one at 10 a.m. So if you're trading after 9:30 a.m. like we do in the morning US Eastern time, we're going to be watching these 2 events, especially the one at 10 a.m. here. So I hope this helped you. Please remember to go to DayTradeToWin.com. That's where we have free downloads and a bunch of helpful content for your trading. Thank you for watching.